What is that next to you? What are you drinking? Okay, whatever you say. Just gonna throw this away. Okay. Throw this away. No one likes them. Yeah, but you were drinking. Don't drink. We have to go, guys. Back here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a map review, but in my secret hideout. Are you ready to see my secret hideout? So let's go. Hey Tony has this. He changed his clothes. So you can see Tony. Here's doggies. Those are my brother's dogs. But let's get started with this map review. So now we go to my secret hideout. As you can see, we got two new things. So as you can see, two new items. So you can see vending machine and a candy machine. Now to craft these, all you need is some rose red, some redstone, and some iron ingots. So let's go to the craft table. So you can see it's gonna show vending machine, vending. You click that. You can see it's right here. We don't need those. Now to craft the candy machine, as you can see here, that's the crafty recipe. We'll need that. Alright. So when you click on these, they do nothing. That's because you need some coins. Now we take out some iron and some gold coins. Go into the craft table. You can see this two new items: iron coins and gold coins. So scratchy. Okay, now if we put an iron coin in the vending machine. And if we put a iron coin in the candy machine, you can see it gave me a candy cane. Can I eat it? Here we go. Let me do something, guys. Okay, so let's see how much it gives you. Cool. Okay, now let's eat the candy. Well, not that much, but okay. Ooh, a jelly gummy. Let's eat that. Okay, good. Lollipop. Okay, let's eat the lollipop. Oh, it's a brand new thing. Energies. So now let's eat. But this gives you a lot of food. So this way, this is the iron carnival works on the vending machine. Only works on the can machine. Okay, now if we get a go coin and put a vending machine, you can see clock shows. Now if you click on the ground, it fixed disabled. So now, okay, got a new one. You click on the. Look at me run. As you can see, I run super fast. Now to disable it, all you need is one of these cups and you click on the ground, and it fixed disable. So let's get all of these. So we got a new one, 6 up. Okay. F up. Ew. Okay, so that's a bug right there, but you can actually climb things, but it makes things go disappear, so maybe he should fix that bug. Maybe it has a bug, I don't know, but okay. So now we got break cow. Jump boost. Oh. If you see when I jump, like there's some shaking, like it's shaking your screen, but no, shaking your screen, but yeah, it's kind of a thing maybe he has to fix, but yeah. I think that's that we have. Guys, that's the vending machine and the candy machine. But I'll see you guys later with another video. Goodbye.